about what happened in Abuja. The girl that snake beat. I'm bringing you to a place now. This is called the sacred tent. Are you with me? This is called the sacred tent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, show the tent. Show them. Are you seeing it? I'll show this way. Come this way. Here. Now, you when the record, you see anything snake for here? But snake there. Yeah. Snake there. Big snake. Oh. It long like from there reach this place. Oh. Big snake. He there. But they're not going to ever see that snake. And you live here?
No, I don't live here.
Now, I want to talk about that woman when they say, get one woman, say, 2 snake, he beat.
Yeah.
And I made a post when I said, the snake were sent by Naga spirits. Why I said that it was one of my daughters that was talking to me. And I said, those snakes were sent to, because then I saw the woman. The woman that sent the snake is not short, just like this height. It's an old woman. The woman has stayed outside Nigeria before. So she knows herself, she knows who she is. She has come to Nigeria, did a spiritual work, went back to the UK, then came back. Now inside streets, the confrontation they happened. So the girl was insulting the woman. And then that was what happened. So now, my advice to most people is this: you fit get keyboard when they insult people, but make sure say you have that keyboard and you have something behind you. I want to show you something. No, I move. Oh, you guys remember? If I remember that day I was doing live here, and I touched this. Yes, not the artwork with this. This is the only deity. I stopped touching it again. Even waiting for it before I remove it. The moment I use my hand, touch her. Now it bites me for here. The mark show people see the mark I put on life. You see, Naga spirits or snake, they are responsible for innovation, wisdom, and technology. We are alive today. We are enjoying money today. We are seeing light, innovation because of Nagas, because of snakes. That's why even in medicine, which is one of the most advanced science on earth, you don't know that medicine is biology. Yeah. Trying to fix a man when nowhere is an advanced science. Is represented by what? The snake and the sword. The snake going through it and the sword. Snake may signify newness, shedding of the skin. Some of you say is newness, rebirth. No. Snakes shed their skin not as rebirth, but to unlearn, to put things old apart. Because when they shed their skin, I said they become new. They are not new. The skin they remove and the skin they have on their body is still their body. So it's not new, it's nature. So whatever thing they have can no longer withstand the germs that the body protects. They go to a place, shed it out, and the new skin there comes to you. Now I want to tell you something. When those 2 snakes came, somebody made a comment. He said, now they not kill the 2 snakes. Yes, they kill them. So the Naga, they don't die. And somebody laughed. And so I asked the question, when your father died, I was asking the person, when your father died, did the spirit die? It was the vessel that died. Me that is talking to you, I'm a vessel. Now, the reason why they call human beings spirit beings is because we were the only creatures on earth that the gods and the spirits could possess. I call myself a god, not because I want to be better or superior than you, but because I am an actual god. Among all humans, we have the spirits, we have the gods, we have essences. Essences meaning this person was what the essence of the woman that served the serpent. Why I'm saying this is this. We have now more naga spirits among women than men. Many water children are dying now. Many water children are suffering now. People are coming into limelight, into power, are called the naga spirits. Because the gods wanted to use me. What did they do? They gave me a naga spirit as what? As a wife, which is Goddess Racing. The day the gods took me up and gave him an assignment was the day Nagas visited my wife. And when I came down, I said, "Oh man, look at what happened." He said, "Oh man, look at what happened." I said, "What do you see?" He said, "Plenty snake there around her." And they were talking to her and she could understand. I said, "Yes, you are a Naga spirit." I was happy. That was the day I started worshiping my wife. Now, Mark Zuckerberg's wife is not a Naga spirit. She is a water spirit. Mark Zuckerberg himself is a Naga spirit. So for Mark Zuckerberg to obtain wealth and bring wealth into his life, he cannot marry a Naga spirit. He has to marry a water child. Because Nagas stays on land and in water. That is why they are way more powerful than water children. Am I saying that my wife is way more powerful than me? Yes. Does she know how to use her power? She may not. As a husband, I will not even teach her how to use her power. Not because she has to be, she's going to be greater than me. Because most times, it doesn't work that way. But as a deity, each deity makes sure that their wives were below them. Because that's where we create balance. There is no history on earth that women were given some level of authority and something beautiful came out of it. Because in the land of the spirits and the land of men, logic is what brings about result, not emotions. I will give you all the examples. For example, ISIS. Her emotions was what led to the killing of Osiris. Nephthys' logical force was resurrected. Now, Cleopatra, right? What happened? Cleopatra slept with several men. What happened? The kingdom of Kemet fell. Now, let me tell you something. My current wife, Goddess Racing, is a Naga spirit. She's a serpent. My second wife to be, she's a Naga spirit. She's a serpent. Oshun. Now, most Yoruba think Oshun is just fish. Oshun is not just fish. Oshun is also a serpent. So Oshun is a Naga spirit. The land and the water. And I will say this. When I married my current wife, which is a Naga spirit, and my second wife to be a Naga spirit, I knew there was war. Because two Naga spirits cannot stay in one place. So the only way I can harness the force of my wife and my second wife to be is to do what is called the binding spell. Now, the binding spell is a spell you cast on Nagas to work with you. So you can command them to do what you want to do. When I use the word, she does not know how. The only way the essences of my wife can bring forth greatness is me, the water spirit, offer libation and worship her and call her essences out. And so, if somebody has a problem with me and I want to naturally bind the person with snake, for example, now to tell my wife, I say, "Oh man, this person, I won't come out." And I have to wait for a particular time of the day, between 4, 5, and 6 in the evening. You get it now? Or between 12, 1, and 2, or between 4, 5, and 6, or between 11 and 10. these numbers I call, I didn't read the number story. If you find out that these numbers fall at the time those snake beats that girl. This snake went there years old. The woman just come and add like 6, 7. You see her. Big. You will run from her top. Come here. You know this snake not a bite cow.
Yes, I know.
You don't know? Snake not a bite cow. You know the cow? You know the cow? Come see cow. Come here. Who is this? Hathor. The cow. What did they hear? Snake. Snake not a bite cow. Snake not the ever bite cow. Now come. Let me show you another thing. This is academic. What is this? Cobra. Snake. This is Djibouti. Knowledge. His spelling of his name is what? Snake. This is Ra. Snake. This is bastet. Snake. Why does bastet have snake on his head? And then look at the snake on this place and the snake on bastet. Because cat sees snake faster. Cats they kill snake. They see snake faster. So bastet and snake working together increases the force of this deity. You see how? But the name has a bird which represents Ra and Horus, the bird, which give the basket the force to quickly see. Now she has something on her hand. Sextune is a magical checker they use to call forth the spirit of the dead. Let's continue. This is Yamoja. A lot of the ancient deities, look at the snake. This is Nephthys. This is Yewa, the Yoruba deity. What do you have here? Snake. And I will tell you that even a shoe, you guys think these two things when you hold for your hand, now just two this thing. That's snake, you know. Equinsu is snake. It's not just the trickster of red and black. What's the meaning of red and black? So when you see red and black, it means evil. Black signifies power. Red signifies what? Now let me see red and black signify the same thing, power. Black is not evil. Red is not evil. Red and black means the same thing. Is power. Red also means money. In fact, red is mainly money. Money is what? Power. And then we have this. We have Osset, snake in the front. We have Heru, snake in the front. We have Asa, snake in the front. We have our mother, Tefnut, snake on both sides. The lion, and there's a snake on both sides like this. You see? There are people that are the most dangerous people. I'm always very careful around. The Naga spirits. Because they can operate on the land and also in the waters. And guess what? All Nagas, they are very kind, they are very gentle, they are very loving, they are accommodating. But in a split of a second, they can strike. Not the only they get power. We have the Pisces, the fish. We have the fish, the Pisces, very powerful. Very powerful. The fish, we have Yemoja, very powerful. The fish, we have Djibouti, powerful. The fish, we even have Akademic, the fish. We have Horus, the fish. Even Bastet, the fish also. You see, these people when they came to Africa invaded, took everything 3,000 years ago, 2,000 years ago. You know what they did? After they took all the knowledge, they started destroying our temple. So our children will not grow to see those knowledge. It's what I'm about to do. This time around, I'm not going to write. I'm going to draw. They are going to see. They are going to understand. They are going to reverence. And so, what I will say is this: that woman that is responsible, the woman never finish work. They say they don't kill the snake. Now, he sends snake. Snake are vessels. You kill them, nothing happen. They don't achieve it they want to achieve. That woman will be there when the day they will bury her. The woman is going to summon the spirit of the girl and make her a slave forever. Because the woman that is responsible for that thing is a pure and well Naga spirit. And I tell you something, be scared of my current wife and my wife to be. You know the essence is this. It is only when you offend them and you pain them for spirit, and the one that know how to summon will summon snake to strike you. There are 4 different ways a Naga will kill you. They will send a snake to kill you, to bite you, to kill you, or they will send a snake to come to the food when they serve you. You will come out, you will come, you will eat, you will die, nothing happen. Or they will come while you are sleeping in your dream and drain your essence, and you are gone. When you see them, when you meet them, they will die straight like this. Die straight like this. Because the snake for them, you don't wind them, you don't dry them. The other time, they will die as if they drown in the water. When you see when person die, water will come from a mouth, his belly will swell up. You say like Naga, and kill him. Has Naga been existing? Naga has been existing. Naga are one of the most fearful people. That's why I say in ancient times, almost all the deities, they have to associate themselves with snakes. They have to associate themselves with what? With snakes. Please. Some of you not going to believe now. Some of them will just say in the name of Jesus, the enemy, all the needs must bow. You see the reason why sometimes when I insult me, I will talk in her back, nothing will happen. And when my wife just enter court, I say, just ignore them. You feel insult water picking, nothing will happen to you. You go just, if he vex, he will cross you, because we water children, we nurture. Until you do and pain us, and we decide to do something on your head, it will work. But you see serpent, then they quit the verse. You just say you don't go, you never go. Please, I will beg you that each and every one of you. Nigeria is a mess. Ghana is a mess. Namibia is a mess. Zimbabwe is a mess. South Africa is a mess. Africa is in total mess. Let us put our heads together and see how we can work together. Even the comments, the post I made, some people were just making comments. All I could say was that I Show Speed came to Nigeria, not because he wanted to showcase Nigeria, but he came to show us the mistake and our character as a people. I Show Speed did not come to Nigeria to showcase anything about Nigeria. If not, what did you see showcasing Nigeria? The only thing we saw was that man with power. Finish. I Show Speed mission to Nigeria was to tell us this is where our problem is. Lack of education. Lack of education can make you think you know, but you don't know anything. When I Show Speed came, I was ashamed being in Nigeria. I'm not trying to denounce myself being in Nigeria, but I was ashamed that when I go out, they say, are you back from Nigeria? Oh, the country that I Show Speed came. We have to revamp our educational system, not following the European curriculum. We have to design, like the water, we have our own design curriculum. We have our own school we want to build. We have to try teaching people ethics. We will teach them the ways of our ancestors, the ways of the gods. If the gods cannot lead you right, nobody can lead you right. Because now that confidence say Jesus did my back, now I make that idiot. Now I made that girl insult that woman. And what happened? Be careful.